In today's video, I'll show you some super easy tips that will take your editing skills to the next level. We'll show you how to create a text reveal behind a person like this, a video transition using Greenscreen, how to clone a character in CapCut, sky replacement like this, and a cinematic film opening like this one. So let's dive right in and get started. Our first tip is the text effect that appears behind the person. I'm using a video of a man walking on a hill. First, we'll copy and paste the clip. Then, we'll automatically remove the background from the top right corner. Now, we add our text, write whatever we want, and change the font. We place the text between two clips. When we play, the text will appear behind the person. Let's refine this a bit and create an effect where the text gradually appears. Right-click the text to create a composite clip. Select Split from the mask section and rotate the mask 90 degrees. We position the mask where the text begins and add a keyframe. As we move forward in the timeline, we slide the mask toward the person's body. We repeat this process until the end of the text. That's it. When it plays, you'll see the text slowly appear behind the person. Our second tip is a video transition using Greenscreen. Here, I'll use a video of someone holding a phone with a green screen. Using a green screen is important because we'll be replacing it with another video. First, we position the main clip at the bottom, and then we place the green screen clip above it. Then, go to the Remove Background section and select Chroma Key. Now click the green area on the phone screen with your mouse. Now we take the other video and resize it to fit the phone screen. We move to the point where the transition will begin. I'll start the transition when the person touches their screen. At that point, we add a keyframe, move forward a few seconds, and scale the clip so that it completely fills the phone's screen. Then, we add a keyframe to the video below and scale it to fill in the gaps on the phone. Finally, we cut the clip on top and add a zoom animation. And here's what the transition looks like. My third tip is to duplicate a character or clone it. And on the flip side, doing this was much easier than I thought. First, we add the clip to the timeline. Then, we copy this clip and paste it over the original clip. We select the top clip and select Auto Remove Background. Now you can freely place the character in the clip wherever you want. And this way, you can create as many clones as you want by copying and pasting as many times as you like. The next tip is the sky replacement effect, and it's incredibly easy. Here, I have a video of a lake and a star-filled sky clip. I drag both onto the timeline. Select the clip on top, go to the mask section, and select the split option. Then, drag the mask to where the sky should be. Drag the feather arrows upwards to make the transition look smoother and more natural. And just like that, we've swapped the cloudy sky with a beautiful sky full of stars. And our final tip, a cinematic movie opening effect. Here, I have a beautiful New York City nighttime clip. Select the clip, go to the mask section at the top, and select the film strip option. Pinch the handles together completely and add a keyframe. Move forward a few frames, add another keyframe, then expand the handles to this position. If we play it back now, we'll have a stylish film strip transition. To make it look smoother, we can soften the transitions. Right-click the keyframe, select Show All Presets, and select Ease In. And now we have a smooth, cinematic entrance to the scene. And that's it. In today's video, we learned 5 different video editing tips that are both easy and impressive. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and share your favorite tip in the comments. See you in the next video.